ihanap yung 2019 box natin. Yan, 2019, 25 cents. Ito yung 25 cents. Diyan, yung 2019. So, kunin yung hard to find na. First, hard to find coins. First, 2018. Ito yung hard to find. Ito yung free good condition dito. And 2018. Dami 2018. Ito 2018. Ito yung shop dito. Diyan. Yung buwet. Ito yung Evercoin. Evercoin natin. Wagay sa Evercoin. Wagay dito sa Evercoin. Next, 2018. Wait, meron tayo. Sa dami 2018. Dami 2018. Guys, hard to find natin sa 25 centavos. Wet. 2018. Next, 2018 wet. Meron tayo. Next, 2018 wet. Meron tayo. So, next, ang dami 2018. Ito, i-zoom natin. So, ito dyan, guys. 2018. 2018, guys. Next, 2018. Oh, dami. Next, 2018. And last, 2019. Ito yung 2019 hard to find natin sa 25 centavos. Natin. And ito 2019 and ito yung 0% ay dito yung mints. Ito yung common. Ito yung nambigay sa posted yung January 7, 2020. And in the post sa Facebook. Yan na to. Post sa Facebook. Ito yung 2019 dyan. In old coins. Ito yung 25 cents. Old coins. Ito yung bago coins. Yung 2019. Ito yung upper min mark siya. Upper min mark. And lower min mark. So, ito, wagay dito sa hard to find. And nabigay sa Bangko Sentral. Ano? Diyan. Yun. On coins. 2018. And ito, yung 2018 coins. Yung barya. Na to, yung low. And hyper min mark. Upper min mark, lower min mark. At siya, 2019. Ito yung barya na to. Ang dami 2020. And ito, yung dami 2020. Hanapin dyan. And 2020. Ayun. Oh, 2019. Ito siya, 2020. At the back, it posts from July 17, 2024. It shows a post into the Facebook. So a new hunt. There's a new hunt of 25 centimo 2020. It posted from the YouTube. It uploaded from the coins. Now, so this is coin 17. So make sure the coin's dirty and you're showing it now open. So there's a new hand on it during Web Sentimo 2020, which is then post and then upload the YouTube video. So only one video, and on it here is posted for 01 May 2023. Now, so I'll first upload it. So when you're done, go to and make sure subscribe. Pictures are hard to find on 25 Sentimo 2006. Bye.